I'm Dr. Holly Darwin. In our chiropractic office, I often talk to people about sleep posture, in particular about pillow height. You can check your pillow height at home, yourself with a mirror, or with another person. We're going to show you in this video examples of pillows that are too flat, too high, and just the right size. Here's the video. We have 3 pillow setups to illustrate how the pillow should be angled. The current pillow he's on is too high. We can tell that because the top of his head is higher than the bottom of his head, and his nose is not in alignment with his sternum. We're looking for a line that goes down the middle of the nose, the middle of the chin, the middle of the chest at the sternum. We'll use this ruler to really define that angle so you can see it real well. That's certainly not even. All right, so we'll take the ruler, we'll take the top pillow, and then Mark's going to lie on a pillow that's too low for him. We'll use the ruler to define that angle again for you. And you can see how that's a little different. All right, now we're going to give him a pillow that fits. And you should see that there's pretty much a straight line down the middle of his head, middle of his sternum, using our ruler again. That just helps to see it a little bit. If you're finding that your pillow doesn't fit after watching this video, we have adjustable pillows at the office. Stay tuned for more videos on sleep posture tips.